Hey, I've been gone for a bit. I apologize. Thank you. But I got a treat for you today. Sampling samples. I wanted to tippy-toe right back into my YouTube groove and go small, go little, or go home. This is from English Laundry. Never smelt anything from English Laundry. A lot of YouTubers in the States are picking these up at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, I think, or something like that for like 20, 15 bucks. So I just got a random sample. I don't know where I got this from. And I got like 4 of these. Let's try it out. What's going on, YouTube Fragrance family? Welcome to my series of sampling samples. Today I'm going to be sampling from the brand of English Laundry, my first mention of the brand on my channel. This is called Riviera. Yeah, looks like it's going to be your typical aquatic. It's got that bluish hue. It's got the water little design on the sample. It even says on the sample, I thought this was cute, do not spray into your eyes. Okay. Obviously, they had an issue with someone spraying their eyes or towards a naked flame. What? Goofs. This line, of course, it's big, like I said in the introduction, big in the States as people keep snatching these up at discounters for around 10 to 20 bucks. So I'm like, okay, people are getting excited about this brand. And again, this is my first dip into it. Maybe this may be the wrong dip, but I ain't feeling it. And I'm going to tell you why. So let's get into it. The big notes in this fragrance was orange, cedar, and lavender. My thoughts on Riviera. Starts off like absolute junk. I can see somebody watch my video. Oh! Junk. Serious face. Junk. This is disgusting. Terrible. No. Smells like a $10 fragrance. You're not getting a deal. It is what it's worth. Very synthetic citrus with some woods, a bit of herbs and spice here. The orange is up top with some woods and some green herbs backing it with some good woods. There's many facets here and it smells very familiar. Yes, that it does. It's not like I'm going to smell this and be like, ugh. Like, no, it just smells so freaking familiar and it smells like cheap familiar. And it doesn't stand out to me at all. I think they were trying to go with that Italian watery vibe, fresh type scent with herbs and fresh lavender among others, you know, like that ADG type feel. Not really. This reminds me, you know what this reminds me of as far as quality goes or as build? Perry Ellis. And we all know that Perry Ellis has a lot of solid fragrances, some cheapies though, but Perry Ellis like a brand, and as far as quality goes and the blend, it was trying to be a thicker, fresh scent a la Allure Sport. That's kind of what it reminds me of. Not, no, it doesn't smell like a Chanel. No. Just the build. It's just a thicker, fresh scent a la Allure Sport. It's not really a sporty scent. It's not really a fresh scent, but it has some thickness to it, but it's fresh. You know what I mean. It's not as watery as the ad shows. That's what I'm trying to say here. You can do much better unless your collection is really tiny or you're really on a budget. Someone that has a lot of fragrances, unless you're a fragrance reviewer and you know you can get some AdSense money out of this. No. Why would you? You can get much better in the designer game. And I'm saying even in the bargain bin, you can get better. So I'm not trying to be like, go get niche fragrances. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that this is worth what they're asking for here. Even for retail, this stuff is crazy. Like as far as the price goes, I can't believe, I hope nobody's buying it for retail. But you can do better, in my personal opinion, of course. Now let's take a look at staying power. 4 to 5 hours on my skin with projection that was fairly light. So again, it doesn't smell great. It doesn't last on my skin. It doesn't really project that much. So there's a lot of downfalls in this fragrance, and that's why I'm here. Pricing. You're looking at big spectrum. You can find them at discounters, obviously, with a lot of our American friends at around 10, 20 bucks, right up to $80 USD. on their website. Retail, I think they're going for 60 to 80, give or take. There's a 3.4 ounce, a 1.7 ounce bottle. This scent is Eau de Toilette Concentration. Overall score from 1 to 10, 10 being high and 1 being poop. Let's get 2 bottles out of 10. I really think, and again, that's just me letting you guys know what I think, you can do better. Final take, bottle worthy, buy, try, or pass. This is a definite pass from me. Not a great start from the brand, I'll be honest, with the Robes OA channel, but as a frag head, I'm not going to turn the other cheek and say English Laundry, you're out, right? Just because of one particular scent. No, I'm going to keep trying. If I get samples from this brand, I will try them out, let you guys know what I think about the particular scent. I know a lot of reviewers that love this brand, so there's got to be something. So anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. And just because, yes, it's Samplin samples, this is the first sample from the brand, might as well. If you have any suggestions for me, not that I'm going to be seeking out anything from this brand, but if I do get samples or choice of samples, I'm going to go back to this video and see what you guys suggest for me. So I can try out something else from the brand. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. And as always, thank you so much. Have a good day.